Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wallpaper and 8x10 canvases from Dollar Tree. I start by removing all of the staples and the canvas from the frames. I then paint the frames with Plaster Color Chalk Paint by Waverly, giving them full coverage. Next, I'm taking these giant craft sticks I got from Walmart. On 6 of them, I'm cutting down just the end of each of them. I line those 6 up together and use my square to get them nice and straight. I then take another 2, cut them down so they're just about as wide as the 6 of them lined up, and then hot glue those on top of those 6. And then paint just this one side as well as the edges with that plaster chalk paint. Once that's painted and dry, I take this wallpaper and remove part of the backing, place down the craft sticks with the side I did not paint attached to the wallpaper. I trim it up and then just smooth it out and then cut off the excess wallpaper around the rest of it. Next, I add hot glue to the back side of one of the frames and place that down. And then I'm taking these white beads I got from Walmart, and I was hoping the color would match better, but I ended up using the white ones just because I had them ready, but I do end up painting them that plaster color. I'm taking Gorilla Grip glue and gluing them down. I used 10 on either side of the longer edges of the frames, and then 8 in between on the shorter sides. So the Gorilla Grip glue, it takes 24 hours to fully cure, but I was able to work with it and paint them after about half an hour. So I just painted one coat on the beads so they match the frames a little bit better. Made sure they were completely dry, and then added the Gorilla Grip glue to the tops of each of the beads. You can definitely use hot glue. I just find it to be a little bit messier and not as clean with the hot glue because it tends to push through the beads. Once I have the Gorilla Grip glue on there, I place down the other frame with the nicer finished side facing up. To make sure it all stays in place while it's drying, I add masking tape around both frames. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.